When mounting an outlet box to a poured concrete wall, a metal outlet box used in conjunction with concrete anchors is appropriate for this application. This combination is suitable for all types of concrete walls, including poured concrete, because the anchors securely fasten the box to the concrete without damaging the wall. There are several types of concrete anchors that can be used. Firstly, there are hammer and concrete anchors, which are wedge-shaped anchors that are driven into pre-drilled holes. Secondly, there are self-drilling concrete anchors, which are screw-type anchors that drill their own pilot holes and create a secure hold. Thirdly, there are lag shield concrete anchors, which are bolted into pre-drilled holes in the concrete. To install the outlet box, follow these steps. 1. Locate studs if any. If there are studs in the wall, align the outlet box with their centers. 2. Mark the box location. Mark the outline of the outlet box on the concrete wall. 3. Drill pilot holes. Drill pilot holes for the concrete anchors where marked. 4. Insert anchors. Insert the concrete anchors into the pilot holes. 5. Mount the box. Position the outlet box over the anchors and secure it by tightening the screws on the front faceplate. Here are some helpful tips. Use a hammer drill for drilling into concrete. Clean the holes of any dust or debris before inserting the anchors. Tighten the screws on the front faceplate firmly, but avoid over-tightening. If the concrete wall is rough or uneven, use a mud ring to create a flush surface around the outlet box.